Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with new releases. I am very excited because I've been waiting to release some of this stuff for a long time. I'm going to go over these new products last just because maybe you're not interested in them. And they also will have like a little bit of explaining with each of them. So let's go ahead into the normal stuff first. I'll actually do the foil first. So I do have 3 foil bundles going up, and it's kind of a bittersweet week because this is actually going to be basically the last of the like older format foil bundles, and we will be releasing the new ones next week, which I'm very excited about. I've had them like ready to go for what feels like forever, and yeah, I don't know, I'm just very excited but sad to see this format go. So this is the last of the fun foil bundles. So this one here is Stars, and it's a really pretty like gold like bokeh sequin type situation, and I think it's so pretty. This would be really pretty for like a gold themed New Year's spread. So you do have the deco, the food doodles, the circle icons, 6 of this page, which has the half cut headers, the header overlays, and then the full box overlays, and then you also have the cutout icons, the script sampler, and then also the 15mm strip. So that is the final of the fun. And then I have 2 of the mystery overstocks. I don't remember which mysteries these were from. There actually will be January mysteries as well. That one's a really fun bundle, but that will be coming out probably in a couple of weeks. I'll throw it in with a new release video and put those up, and that'll be like the final of all of the old format. So this one is just in twinkle, so you do have the standard format here and then just our regular gold, and then with the mystery listings you do get 3 of this page instead of 6. But it's a great way to build up your core foil stash. I actually have been working a ton on the website, and I love whenever you guys tell me that you love it because it's been so fun to do and like get everything to look so amazing. The foil section is probably my favorite. I've actually went through and taken, and I wasn't going to do it for the old foil bundles, but it just is totally a vibe. I moved them all into like listings, so like all of the stars are in one listing, all of the hearts are in one listing, all of the whimsical bow, twinkle, etc., blossom, snowflake are all in one listing, and then you can select the foil. When you click on the foil, it'll show you the picture of the foil bundle. So I love it. It's a vibe, and it just makes me so happy when everything's all organized. And I also did go through, and you guys can see on the website, and condensed a bunch of the listings. So like all of the Christmas quote boxes are on the same listing, or like, Thanksgiving ones would be on the same listing, and all of the like Once More with Love new icons are on the same listing with just different selections. And I just feel like it kind of is more organized, less listings to sift through, and I am so hyped about it. Also added a wish list function a couple of weeks ago, and a lot of you guys have been enjoying that as well. So again, for the foil bundles, we do have this, I'm gonna probably call it gold sequin, it's looking like to me. I have to look at it more, but that's what it's looking like. And then you have the gold twinkle, that's a mystery overstock, and then also the gold confetti. Then let's go into the regular weekly kits for this week. This art actually just came out last night, and I went ahead and whipped it up while I was watching. It's called like I Love a Mama's Boy. It's on TLC, but such pretty art. I love green. I didn't like green growing up, especially, but I like green and pink together, which both of these kits have green and pink together, but I really like that they're 2 completely different color greens. This one is a spring birthday kit, and I just think it's so beautiful. It's very like just really girly, like kind of like soft, pretty, and I love this like dark green and then this like muted green with the pops of the yellow and the pink. It's so nice, and I love these girls. I think they're super, super cute, and yeah, I'm just really in love with the way that this set turned out, and I love this art. Darcy did an amazing job. You have your 2 extra full boxes over here, which there were 3 girls that the artist included, and then there is a little like planner box spread. I went through with the colors for forever because I couldn't figure out which colors I wanted to use because I was like, do we want to use the yellow in it? But I thought this kind of lended to a more like soft vibe, which went with the art. And then both the mini and the ultimate kit do have this freebie, which has a half box, a third box, a fancy label, and some little things to pull in that yellow throughout in this spread, because I do think that it's a really pretty yellow. You do have the deco page, the glitter headers, the half box page, the solid labels, and then the pattern labels, which I cannot wait to get 2 new kits, new format kits, just to be able to use the pattern labels. I always like am looking for them whenever I'm using my Christmas kits, and I'm like, oh no, they didn't start yet. And then the bottom washi is the like pinkish plaid. It's actually kind of more, it's a pink, but it's like a nudie pink. And then if you want to add on the 15 millimeter strip, it's the green. I think this would look so good with basically any foil color. I think like silver gold mixed metal, rose gold, like a matte taupe would look really pretty. I think actually rose gold would be the prettiest if I had to pick one. Yeah. Or if you have from the advent, not this year, but last year, I might do an advent next year. So like get excited for that. I'm already planning things, and I have like a collab idea going. It's really cute. But the advent from 2 years ago has like a mixed metal rose gold and matte taupe, and I think that'd be so pretty with this. So like I said, there is there is the 15 millimeter strip if you want to add it on. There is fashion options if you want to add those on. And then there is also, of course, the label sampler if you want to add that on. And last but not least, let me show you guys the mini kit real quick. So you have the same full boxes page, the same deco page, the same glitter header page, and then this is the mini kit page, which you guys will see is also in the monthly, because I just love this page so much. Washi, and then you also do have that. It's like a greenish yellow, kind of like borderline is it chartreuse? Or because it's not mustard, it's definitely like a green or yellow, but I really like it. So that is the mini kit, and we are still doing unlimited stock for the first 48 hours. So definitely get your hands on those. And then the last weekly kit for this week is called Lucky, which is a St. Patrick's Day kit. It does come in a mini kit, but I'll just go over the ultimate. A lot of people have been asking if I'm doing an exclusive art for St. Patrick's Day, and I am not. There is going to be a lot of holidays this year that I'm not doing exclusive art for, because I really this year want to focus on doing more like collections that I haven't seen, and there's always holiday art for me to use, and I'm going to try and really hone in on like finding a lot of really unique art from different artists to use, hopefully throughout the year. But I really want to focus a lot of my custom slots on Advent. I want to do kits in Advent next year, which would be really cool, right? And then I also have mystery, of course, and then there are some holidays I will be doing, and then doing some more unique themes, like things that I haven't seen. So sorry if you can hear Theo in the background. He's very, very talkative. So this is Lucky, and this is by Kittenish Jess, and I just thought it was so dang cute. I love the like really like light soft green with the like pale pink. It's so pretty. I love these pancakes. I love anything that has to do with food. I think actually my favorite element is the bark. If you like look at it full res, it's like beautiful. I love these girls. I love everything about this kit, and I love this bracelet down here. It's so pretty. And this purse, I've actually seen this purse. It's beautiful. So that is the full box page, and then over here you do have the girls like dancing there, and then also a little puppy, which I added these cute little daisies. It's actually a really long story, but I was gonna add the tulips, but then I looked it up, and actually tulips are like poisonous to dogs, and apparently like daisies can give them tummy aches if they like eat a lot of them, but they're not poisonous. So went with this, even though the tulips did look better, but still really cute, and I think he's just adorable. And then you have your gorgeous colors here, the patterns, the deco page, the glitter headers. You do have the faux gold glitter throughout. This is just so pretty, and I cannot wait to use this. I would personally use this probably with champagne lights. I just think that adding a little extra sparkle would be really, really pretty. Then both the mini and the ultimate kit do come with an extra tall box, which I think is so pretty, again in the mini and the ultimate kit. And I love this little banner on top because it looks like a little tiny mini sticker sheet, especially what is the other one? I think it's whenever it's 2 full boxes, it looks like a mini sticker sheet, which how cute would that be? I don't know how functional it would be, but to like size down like a sticker kit just to have like a non-functional mini sticker kit version of it, I think it'd be so cute. It does come in a mini kit. There is an option if you want to add on the 15 millimeter. There's an option for add-on fashion, and then there is an option for the label sampler. So those are the 2 kits this week. And then I do have a bunch of other stuff to release. I'm not doing any other foil releases. I have like a bunch of things to release, but I feel like there's a lot going on this week, so I wanted to kind of keep it under control. So I do have some monthlies for this week. I've actually been planning on releasing these monthlies for like 10 years now, but I actually had a revelation last week, and I decided to kind of like reformat these and basically just changing one page, but like I'll show you. So yeah, so I decided to release them now. So let's go ahead and go through these. So there are going to be 4 monthlies. I'm going to try and get like a little bit better about actually like being on top of the monthlies. These, whenever they would have came out initially, would have been on top of it, but I'm not on top of it currently. The holidays are throwing me off. So the only thing that has changed is the last page, but we'll go over that when we get there. These are sized for the Aura Stell A5 wide inserts, and those are different than the like Erin Condren sized standard size. I love the Aura Stell monthlies because they are 1.5 inches wide, the boxes. So not only can you use like my monthly kit, but you could also use kit extras. You could use like functional, like if you have like foiled labels, you could use those. You could use anything that you would use in a weekly spread, like 1.5 wide in your monthly, which I just think is amazing. So we have Blast Off, which is perfect for January, of course. So that is the front page there. And then you do have the label page, and then this is the boxes page. And then lastly is this page here, which we used to sell these a la carte. And I decided for kind of like storage purposes and also just kind of like making it super easy that I was going to include both of them, because I would say 99% of people order one or the other. So what I'm going to do is just raise the price $1. So normally these are $1 each. So it's going to be the same as if you bought the kit plus one, but you're going to get both, and then extra boxes on the bottom. So it'll make it super easy for everyone. So that is the new like monthly kit format. I'm not going to be reformatting any of the kits we currently have on in shop. Those all don't have many left in stock. So what's left of those will be it. And then all monthlies moving forward will have the both of the sidebars included, which is super awesome. And then we also do have Netflix and Chill, which is super cute, perfect for like Valentine's Day or an anniversary month. And also my monthlies do not have a month on them, so you can use them for any month. And we do sell foiled monthlies for them, and I know other people do too. I know Lauren from Rose Color Days has really pretty ones. I think at least she still does, of like Jasenia's handwriting with the bows on the side. Those would look cute size-wise in these as well. But that makes it so you could use this for December, you could use it for January, you could use it for August if you're in the other hemisphere, I guess it is. Is that what it is? I don't know. Me and like geography are not like best friends. This is the September mystery art? September. Yes, September mystery art. And again, a winter. Did I just show this? I don't remember, but that is the September mystery art in a monthly, which is perfect for winter. And then last but not least, we have November mystery art, which was much loved, and it is a winter mermaids, which is just such a pretty collection. Gorgeous colors. Love it so much. And I am going to be doing monthly spreads, I believe, next year. So I'm really excited about this. And I am aiming to film every other Plan With Me as of right now. And I might do like one Plan With Me a month and then a monthly. I'm not sure. So we'll see. So, but these are really pretty and I love them a lot. And kind of going along with the monthly themed, I have been talking about this a lot on Instagram. Well, in my personal Instagram, because I was doing, I guess, Vlogmas, and was showing me kind of like playing around with the tester of this. And I am going to be offering kind of as a trial run, like I did a trial run with these a long time ago. When the Aura Stell inserts came out, a trial run of the B6 spread for the Aura Stell B6 inserts that just came out. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what my little spread ended up looking like. I paired the kit with the monthly labels we have in shop. Actually, the large ones fit perfectly, like all of them width-wise and height-wise fit perfectly on these top bars. And then I did use some foil items as well. I used our foil date numbers, and then some scripts, some mini icons that are a collab with Once More with Love, and just, you know, other random little bits and bobs from our shop to create this monthly spread in the B6. And I am actually thinking about using this as like one of my planners for next year, and I'll go into that in another video. But these are just little 2-page kits, and they do have the top banner, and then they do have a bunch of little things which are super cute. They have some continuous boxes, and then there is a sidebar, patterned label, and then some more labels here. So this is a full box size label, a little bit smaller, and then some fancy labels. And then over here there are some things cut out in this pattern. So there is a hexagon, which is perfect for layering little mini icons, and then there are 2 strips that are 1 day wide and then 1 strip that is 2 days wide. So I wanted to keep the kit kind of minimal just because you can pull in other things and kind of make it your own, but still wanted to add enough that, you know, I feel like 1 page wouldn't have been enough. So I feel like 2 is super cute. It is also slightly shorter than a normal sticker sheet, and that's just because of the way that like all of the dimensions worked, but I still think it's really cute. So I did do one to match all of the monthlies for the A5 wide, and if I do continue to do these, that is kind of what I plan to do. So you do have one that matches each and have similar kind of styles to them, sidebars and things like that. But yeah, I'm really excited about these. I'm excited to hear what you guys have to say about them, and I think they are super cute and like mini, and I love the little things. It's kind of my favorite part. They are the same height as a normal little thing, so like your little mini like Once More with Love size icons would fit perfectly in there. So that is going to be our trial run for the B6 monthlies. And then the last thing that I'm also doing a trial run for, we're doing a lot of trials because I have ideas, but I don't know if anybody will actually like them. So that's where I end up. So I do have something that I just thought of last night, and I was like, Kirsten, what do you think of this? And she's like, oh my God, great idea. So we're going to try it out with 1 pack and then see how you guys like it. So I love the Aurastel monthly dashboards. I think they're so pretty. Whenever Tiki and I were working on them, I was like, a Pantone look, please. Something that people can decorate, make their own, but also like if they don't want to, they could just leave blank and it would still look really pretty. And then I was like, oh, you could totally decorate them with vinyls, but I feel like vinyls do get quite expensive. I obviously have a ton of vinyls if you guys watch my hauls, but I wanted to come up with something that if you wanted to decorate this and it not be, you know, a ton of vinyls, or you want something super easy that everything matches, that you could do that. So this is the little packaging that it'll come in with, just a like this is printed on photo paper, like a little backer card, and then you get a bunch of sticker die cuts. So these are not vinyls, they are just like on our normal sticker paper, but you could totally use these to decorate your monthly dashboards, or, you know, any type of planner that you're like playing with. They're just stickers. So whatever you want to do, you can decorate to your desire and kind of like see what you want to happen here. And I just think it's so cute, and everything will be so cohesive. And like I said, I do have a ton of vinyls, but I might honestly opt for this way just because it's going to be easy and everything's going to be like very matchy. But yeah, it comes with enough stickers that you could totally do a dashboard. You could just decorate your planner in general. And I'm just going to try this out with a couple of packs. I'm going to start with this one this week and see how you guys like it and get your feedback on it and see what you guys think. But again, this is on our normal sticker paper, and you can totally use these as die cuts if you want to decorate your planner otherwise, or you could take them off and use them as stickers and decorate your dashboards or whatever else you want to decorate. So let me know what you guys think of this in the comments down below. I wanted to make sure that there was like enough stickers to decorate like one, but not like so many that you're like, okay, Andrea, I don't need 30 blast off stickers. I totally get that. So we will put this one up as like a little tester to see what you guys think, and we will go from there. I just want to have fun in 2021 and like create different things and just do things, I don't know, like just fun stuff. I just feel like, you know, sometimes you just want to create something new. So that's where we are. And yeah, I think that's everything for this week. Again, we do have the 2 kits. We do have the spring birthday kit and then also the lucky kit. We do have the 4 monthlies in both the A5 wide and the B6. There is the sticker pack for blast off, and then there are the 3 foil bundles, the gold confetti star, the twinkle in gold, and then the confetti in gold. So that's everything for this week. I hope that you guys like this week's new releases. Mystery is actually going to ship. Is it this week? I believe it's shipping this week. pretty sure shipping this week. Yeah, because I wanted to ship it out before like Christmas and like all of the like, you know, the mail's already slow, so let's just get it out early. So I'll probably have that video up for you guys on Friday, and those will be dropped on Friday, and I'm really excited for you guys to see January. It is in the new format, but it does have the old foil format, but it is fun, and it also has 2 extra sheets that I'm really excited about because I always do try and do something like a little bit extra in January. So yeah, I hope you guys like it and you're excited for the rest of the videos this week. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!